Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Tearlaments. It is important to understand that these two entities exist in completely separate realms. Excel is a robust software tool for data management and analysis, while Tearlaments refers to a specific strategy within a complex trading card game. A direct, better comparison is not applicable, as their functions are fundamentally different. We will explore each one's unique strengths. Microsoft Excel is an indispensable tool for anyone working with data. It allows users to organize, calculate, and analyze vast amounts of information efficiently. With its extensive range of formulas, you can perform complex calculations, track budgets, and forecast trends. Excel's ability to generate clear charts and graphs makes data interpretation straightforward, supporting informed decision-making across many industries. In the world of trading card games, Tearlaments represents a highly strategic and often dominant archetype. This collection of cards is known for its intricate interactions and ability to generate powerful plays through specific card effects. Players who master Tearlaments can execute complex combos, disrupting opponents and establishing strong board presence. It demands deep understanding of game mechanics and strategic foresight. Ultimately, determining which is better between Excel and Tearlaments is about aligning the tool with your objective. If you need to manage finances, analyze data, or create detailed reports, Excel is your superior choice. If your goal is to engage in competitive card gaming with complex strategies, Tearlaments offers a rich and challenging experience. Both are excellent within their respective, very different applications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.